Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a challenge that some friends of mine came up with. What it really is testing out a couple of the new MREs from the Department of Defense that everyone gives me crap. Like, oh, American military food's all horrible, you know. So I'm just going to open up an MRE and kind of show people what they actually look like and what's inside of here. So give me a second, I'll be right back with a knife and open this up. Alright everyone, here it is. Got my knife. Let's open up the Menu 12 MRE. Elbow macaroni and tomato sauce. Always cut away from yourself. There you go. Oh boy, delicious. Doesn't that look good? Smells just like pasta. Alright. MREs are not that bad. They're not mom's home-cooked pasta, but they're good, especially compared to starving. Alright, having eaten that much of the MRE, elbows with pasta sauce basically, we will move on to the next item, which is our wheat snack bread. There you go, slice of wheat snack bread, which you have your choice. You can either eat with cheese spread or without cheese spread. I think I'll run some cheese spread down one side so you can see it. That always happens with the cheese spread ones. There you go. Regular side. It's good. Tastes just like bread. The cheese sauce is very, very sharp and bitey. It tastes like Velveeta, but it could be worse. Alright. That's our next MRE item. These are just nuts they throw in a bag. So it's basically just some peanuts and various other nuts and some raisins. now we've got your Skittles, which are going to taste like Skittles. So I won't actually bother demonstrating that. You probably all know what Skittles taste like. You've got breath mint, instant coffee, tissues, toilet paper, whatever you need them for, pretty much. Creamer, sugar, salt, and pepper, a moist towelette, and some matches. In the package that comes with the MRE. You have a little package of hot sauce and chocolate protein drink powder, which I will mix up and demonstrate for you in just 1 second. Thought real quick I would demonstrate the hot sauce. Just for everyone's benefit, so let's do that. There you go. You can open a corner of it or whatever. There you go. Got a little bit of a zing to it. I grew up in Colorado. My brother-in-law makes green chili that's quite a bit spicier than the hot sauce here, but this is a little better than your normal zingy Taco Bell hot sauce or anything of that kind. There's pretty good flavor to it for a hot sauce, so there you go. Alright, here we go. Here's the mixed drink, chocolate protein. You mix this with a 8-ounce cup of water. Yeah, that's pretty close. Alright, once you've poured your water into it, seal that zipper up good, and then shake to mix it. Alrighty, after mixing for about a minute, I will pour this out into the water bottle so you can see what it looks like. Thick, oozy sap. There you go. That's your protein drink. I'll give this a test run. Not bad. About typical for a protein drink. You don't want to drink this for more than about an hour. That's the life after you mix it.